Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue chapter number 4, Air, from Geography. And in this chapter today, I will discuss with you composition of the atmosphere and importance of nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide on its own place. So my dear students, as I told you in my previous explanation that the presence of atmosphere which is surrounded our earth working as a huge blanket of air, and the presence of atmosphere is very important for us because with the help of atmosphere human being, animals and even plants can survive and can develop themselves. So students, one question will arise here that what is atmosphere? So students, atmosphere is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, helium, hydrogen and ozone also. And these mixture of gases make atmosphere. And students, the presence of atmosphere around the earth is very important because it is very important for the survival of everyone which are existing on the surface of the earth. Students, these atmosphere protect us from the very harmful sun rays, and these atmosphere work as a strainer, and if sun rays directly come on the surface of the earth without the presence of atmosphere, then with the heat of sun rays we will baked alive during the time of day, and also in the absence of atmosphere we get frozen during the night time. So students, on the basis of above you can understand very clearly that atmosphere is very helpful for the balancing of temperature on the surface of the earth also. Okay, now your today's topic is composition of the atmosphere. So students, as I told you above that these mixture of gases is make atmosphere, or we can say composition of the atmosphere, in which nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, helium, hydrogen are together make atmosphere, and this is the composition of the atmosphere. So students, you can see on the whiteboard that nitrogen sharing is 78%, oxygen sharing is 21%, carbon dioxide is sharing 0.03%, and another gases like helium, ozone, argon, hydrogen, these are also sharing its percentage, but it is present in atmosphere in a very lesser quantity or in very small percentage. On the other hand, all these gases present in the atmosphere, so with it a very tiny dust particles also present in the air. Okay, After that, nitrogen, very important gas. So you can see that nitrogen covering its 78%, and this is very important. So students, here I am going to discuss with you one very important fact, that when we are inhaling oxygen, then we are inhaling other gases also which are present in atmosphere. But when we are exhaling, then all another gases like nitrogen and ozone, argon, hydrogen and other gases exhales by our lungs, and only we are absorbing oxygen. So students, in this way you can understand, for the human body and for its survival, only oxygen is important. Other gases which are inhaling by human being, these gases exhaling by us also. So students, nitrogen is not very important for the survival of human being, but it is very important for the plant, and plant required nitrogen for its better growth and survival also. But students, plant cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. So one question will arise here, that how these plants takes nitrogen. Students, bacteria, very small microscopic organisms which are present or living in the soil and the roots of some plants, take nitrogen from the air and change its form. In this way, plants can take nitrogen. Okay? Now you can understand that nitrogen is very important for the survival and growth of the plants. After that, your second gas is oxygen. So you can see oxygen covering its